Gotta buy that. That's cool.
Guys for everything? Because I didn't count this one. 15? Okay. I think these are 12. $2. That's cool. $2 a pair. Her shoe. $2 a pair. How much are their blue stores? Adam, how much are cards?
I don't care which dollar piece.
Card? Yeah. I have no idea what How much for that? I can do $2 for all of those. Okay. How about also those ones were like $300 bags. Back when I had a problem. But that was $2, or if you go back, you can get 3 for $5. If you want more. So I don't know. People please I feel like because the potential of selling the regular dresses more than the prom dresses, given the fact that prom
dresses are
might not be happening
Yeah.
still for a couple
Well, you
years.
gotta remember too, people can get this too in the other dresses, so you still can sell it.
That I bought that from it was her pencil dress.
So you probably will be able to sell it pretty easy.
How much is the Walkman?
So I'll make an offer.
$1.
Yeah. Do you know if it works? Yeah. For $1, whatever.
I'm pretty sure it does, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
I think it just needs
How much are the original Xbox games?
$1.
Mortal Kombat. Love that one.
Yeah, I'm classic Mortal Kombat. Merlin.
Yeah.
Choice.
Good one.
I gotta stop looking or I'm gonna get upset about sound.
I know.
I have so much I have to list on the go.
Yeah. Yeah, I have a pretty huge collection myself.
Yeah, I've decided it's not time to thin them out a little bit. That's my first
Three.
Grand Theft Auto game.
Yeah.
GTA 3.
CD's $1 as well.
Sure.
Do the Beatles. I've got a $1 pile, all the $1 items.
Okay, that'll work.
Enema of the State.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is a throwback to the childhood.
Right?
Maybe not Maroon 5 so much, but the rest of them.
No. I think that's probably my sister's, to be honest.
Yeah.
Don't tell us. If you like those ties, Lizzie, just tell me. I'll keep them.
Oh yeah, I love this.
I do actually kind of want to keep the candy cane for Christmas, but it's okay. If it doesn't sell, I'm going to wear it for Christmas this year. Okay? I'm going to wear it for church. If you press it, it plays music. Then take it. Pull it off the ladder. It legit plays. There's a thing down there somewhere.
Probably that. I just pressed it.
Yeah, I think it'll work pretty good when it's loose.
1, 2, 3,
Or
4,
actually,
5, 6,
it
7,
may just float inside that
8,
top.
9, 10, 11, 12. Ow. Alright, I have 12 $1 items.
Okay, cool.
Let me put this here.
If you want to go stick them in your car for that, you can.
Yeah, that's alright.
I'll get your last
What's this, Mario Kart? How much is Mario Kart? How much is Mario Kart?
$1, dude. Just
Alright, throw it in the pile.
Add it to the pile.
Yeah. get rid of it.
Yeah.
We have
So I'm
like
at 13.
3 of them.
Yeah. I also don't have a Wii hooked up, so like.
There's 12. One more for the
I
Mario
don't know
Kart.
how we accumulated so
13.
Thank
many
you, sir.
Mario
Yeah.
Kart, but we have so many.
Right.
That is interesting. Alright, that's on my pile. Let's see if there's anything else.
Oh my god, Adam, you did not used to wear this.
Oh, why'd you show it to me? I actually almost kind of want it still. It's a Mustang.
I think it's cool. How much is that? I might buy
I
that.
think he's keeping
Huh?
it.
Yeah, see, I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about.
Sell my stuff. Don't
There's a black one too.
I want to keep it.
Oh, see? Look at that.
I like more.
I think that one's so emo that you have to keep it.
I like it.
How much is the black one?
$1.
Go ahead.
Yes. We'll have matching belts, me and him. I get it out of my Alright. Take the belt. Here's $1 for the belt. How much is this pedal that I see? This guitar pedal?
Adam, what's the guitar pedal cost? I have got no clue.
What kind is it? I'm gonna go see it.
Tubulator? Guitar pick.
What did $5 cost?
The pedals?
Yeah. And then there's a tuner in there too. I'll go with it. The silver one. I think there's box. So if you do
Yeah, 10
$10,
bucks. Yeah, I'll do 10 bucks for the three. Seems fair.
I
Keep
know-
finding goodies.
I know the tubulator works really well.
Good.
I love the sound of that.
Nice.
That line is like a repeating one. When you press it, it'll keep echoing and echoing.
Oh, dude, you got ABEX 7s in here? No. Is that still what they're called?
I'm not even sure, bro. I
Yeah,
know
ABEC
there's some kind
1s.
of reds,
Yeah. I used to be a real nerd for the bearings.
Yeah. I'm gonna actually grab this out of here.
That's fine. I'm not gonna buy it
What is
anyways.
that?
I just wanted to look.
It's Taiwan and What's that?
ABEC 1s.
I thought it was one of those Craftsman sockets. It's going in the food box.
Yeah.
Can't buy them anymore.
No, yeah, the ones they make now are crap.
Yeah.
Yu-Gi-Oh! Yu-Gi-Oh! And good. Pokemon.
Anything in the box you want to stack them together and offer me a price, I don't care.
Yeah, okay.
I know there's a bunch of boost cards.
Hacky sack. How much for your $20? No. This just feels like a bin of stuff my mom threw out of mine when I was.
That's exactly what my parents sold our childhood house and she brought me a bunch of junk.
Yeah,
I was
yeah.
like, honestly, I wish you just like
Threw it away. Yeah,
existed.
yeah,
Because then there's all this type of shit.
yeah. And you're like, oh, do I really want to get rid of this, even though I forgot it existed for 20 years?
Yeah.
Harmonica.
What? Oh my god.
You got the old duct tape wallet.
You got those duct tape wallet.
$5.
You were a real punk rocker, huh? I already bought that one.
Oh, okay, you already
That's my little pile, yeah.
Oh,
There's some
okay,
more hats in that bin under the pink shirt. Gotta buy that. That's cool. You take $1 for your WWF belt. All right, guys. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Have a good one.
Good luck with your sale.
Thank you.
What is this?
Yeah. $2?
That's cool.
I don't know. Some of those were like very expensive, but
Hey guys, thanks for coming with me to that yard sale. It was a really nice couple and bought quite a few things from them. I definitely left a lot on the table when it came to hats. I wasn't sure the price of the hats, so I just was being very choosy. Then I saw some other person grabbing tons of hats, and I was like, wow, they must be a good price. Eventually, I found the sign on it said $1, and I picked some up, but definitely could have gotten more. She grabbed the New England Patriots ones and some other ones that were really nice. I did get a couple that were pretty good. This is probably the star, this Gears of War one. Looks like it's selling for $30 pretty regularly on eBay. This one had no comps, but I listed it for $20. This one I think I listed, I don't know, I'll put it up on the screen, I can't remember, but it's in really nice condition. Probably never worn. This one's a little worn, but I like it, and you know, it's racing. It's pretty nice DuPont hat. It's a little embroidered, I think Jeff Gordon signature, so I think I listed that for 20 or so. This is the worst of the hats, very dirty. I might not even list it, might just sell it at a yard sale myself because I don't feel like cleaning it, nor do I really know how. So yeah, those are what I got as far as hats. I also grabbed a couple of games for $1. The winner here is Morrowind. I think it sells for like 15 bucks. The other ones are like $8 to $10 games. I'd say, oh, this pedals. I got 2 pedals there, the Lion and the Tubulator. The Tubulator already sold for $50. So, you know, that sale is paid for. Everything else is profit. This one I think I listed for 30 or 40. And this is actually killer, this WWE Champ belt buckle. This one actually sells pretty often, decent sell-through rate at $50. So paid $1 for it, sell it for $50. I'll take that every day of the week. What is this? Oh, that's from a different sale. So I think that's most of the stuff I got. I was trying to think. Oh, Walkman. I did get this Walkman. It does not seem to work, so that's trash. Even if it did, it's only worth 15 bucks. So, you know, you can't win them all. But yeah, it was a good sale. Oh, Mario Kart. I also got Mario Kart for the Wii. Already sold it. Already shipped it out the door. I think I got 20 bucks for it. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Catch me on the next one. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff.